sit up, hey. You sit up, hey. You sit up, hey.
We made it. What's up, guys? They're watching another video. Today we got the mask on, not only because there's hella people here and I don't want to get sick, but also because I got a huge pimple and I'm so embarrassed. So we're gonna keep the mask on today. But as you guys can see, we made it to this little car meet in San Clemente, Cars and Coffee. We actually showed up pretty late. It's been on for like about an hour now. We barely got here and it is packed, like super packed. We got the GTR parked right there, all dirty. I haven't washed it in forever. We got the homies whip.
You did the right thing on the wrong car.
Bro, there's so many cars. It's insane. Sick ass food. Oh my god. Bro, everyone brings their dogs to these meets. I want to bring Beamer, bro. Look at the homie. He got the merch. Manny's not even wearing the merch, bro. I'm not even wearing the merch.
I'm not wearing my own merch today. I'm merchless today.
Alright, we found the Supra hot spot right here, bro.
This is the cleanest Supra color I've seen so far.
Really? I don't like green, bro.
Bro, it's so sick.
It looks nice, but
Look at the paint on it. It has metallic and everything. It's pretty sick.
I'm not a fan of green. It looks sick though. You can't go wrong with the Supra. And we got the new Supras. Damn, this one's hard with the Advance. Woo. This is what we're talking about. Red right here. If I got one, definitely probably be red. Oh my god, they're so clean, dude. I want one so bad. That Knott's bottle. There's a white one over here. Damn, the white looks good too. Bro, this shit's crazy. Look how lifted it is, bro. Damn, the DeLorean. Gotta go back in the future. This is like the holy grail dream car right here. That shit's on any Aventador. It's the SVJ. Oh my god, bro. Look at this interior, dude. Like, it's too freaking nice. Bro, look how nice it is. Look at the doors, too. All carbon fiber. Carbon fiber roof.
It has like grip tape on the floor for your feet. Look.
It's so sick. Because you gotta grip the floor, bro, when you're, when you're driving.
Bro, the floor is carbon fiber. It's crazy.
Everything's probably carbon fiber on. Looks so nice. SVJ, dude, with the center exit exhaust. How much is this car? Like 600?
Yeah. 600.
Oh, so it's what, like 700, 800?
Almost 850.
It's almost $1 million car right there. We're gonna get one soon, Manny.
That's gonna be a shop car right there.
the shop car. I like that spec too. Honestly, black though. Be hard. But AMG GT. Oh my god. Look at this hood. I should do a clear hood, huh? Buddy, look at the M. AMG McDonald's. The color's sick. Yeah, I think it's crazy. They're rare, aren't they? First wide body. I don't know wide body. First bagged one, I think he was saying. C8. And wide body. That shit looks mean, dude. It looks good in black, and it looks good wide body, bro, for sure. God damn, that shit's hard. Oh my god, this is the homie's E92. You guys probably remember he had TEs, but he switched it up. Oh my god, dude. My favorite E92. I swear to god, it's my favorite E92. Wow, bro. So freaking clean. These wheels are so rare and hard to get.
Yeah, if I knew you guys were here, I would have stayed a little
I know, it's fine. We just got here.
This is
just
how
so
your
nice and
shit
white.
looks,
I know. Later. I know, it makes my E92 look so ugly. I swear. He has the cage, the seats, the wheels. Look how nice it is, dude. This is just airing out in the middle. I need those wheels, bro. But it's sick. Another E92 M3. Stick shift too. I've said this before, but I love this meet because there's like a variety of everything. Like there's supercars, wide body cars, old school cars, like all these old school cars, motorcycles. This is the bike I want, bro. I want a bike so bad. A Ducati. Dude, this is literally the exact bike I want. Should we get a bike for the channel? Damn, this Huracan is sick. I've been wanting to see this thing in person. This wrap looks insane in person. It's like a bandana and her face is satin black. On BBS wheels, Huracan, bro. These wheels are so sick. And that wing. Oh my god, bro. That's like my dream Huracan setup right there. pista, all black. Looks sick.
I don't know Ferrari.
Bro, there's so many sick cars, dude. 720S. Satin black. Bro, these shits are mean, bro. It's like a rocket. A spaceship, dude. Kevin? Bro, this is actually the first time I've ever seen another Lime Rock M3 in person. Besides Kevin's. Like, Kevin's is the only one I've ever seen in my life. And here's another one. Damn, all over Kevin, huh? With the Recaros?
Recaros and the spoiler.
Lime Rock. And the spoiler, bro. I want to see one like really modified though. Ooh, R32, bro. I definitely want one of those. Guys, look how small this car is compared to that. The shit could run it over, bro. That's a big ass truck. Damn, E46. You can tell he has an angle kit. Look how much it sticks out in camber like mine. Bro, I need to do like a wide body kit like this. It low-key looks like the Street Fighter one. Damn, that thing looks sick, bro. I need a wide body mine. Damn, Huracan Performante. That shit's hard, dude. That's my favorite Huracan. I don't know about the convertible, but if it was a hardtop, that would be the sickest Huracan. Ferrari on TEs, bro. That's clean. Wow. Wow, look at the interior on that shit. It's literally all red everything. That's the spec I want right there. With all red inside. It has red headliner too. I would put that interior in this car and that would be the perfect freaking Ferrari ever. Another GTR. A girl driving it, what? That shit's hard. Ooh, that shit is insane. Damn, bro, that shit is sick. I heard he's hella fast too. Sick,
I'm about to get a life lecture right now. From
I know.
This guy. Look,
Hold on, look at this, bro. Oh my god. It's like a limo. Oh my god, a wagon, bro. You know they don't make those, right?
Yeah.
Damn. This is my friend's GTR. His car is insane. At first, when I first got my car, he was full bolt-ons. He was just telling me right now, he makes it close to 1,000 on stock wheels. You would never be able to tell. That's the sleeper GTR right there. If you see that guy on the freeway, don't race him. But yeah, we should be cruising with him very soon. And I want to get a ride in that. He said his high boost map makes over 1,000 horsepower. That's insane, bro. I can't even imagine. Damn, look at this GTR, dude. I feel like I've seen it before, but I think he changed up the wrap. RD Engineering, the homies who tuned my car. Woo! God damn, bro. Why doesn't mine look like that? How do I make mine look like that, bro? All carbon fiber, everything too. The fenders, the bumper. That is insane. The hood's carbon, the door's carbon. Bro, I think everything's carbon. The trunk, and then this plate. I love that plate, bro. 1,000 horsepower, just to let everybody know. Damn it, bro. I want to make my GTR 1,000. R32, R32. Bro, there's so many GTRs. Oh my god. That's freaking insane, dude. Look at all these GTRs, bro. I should have parked over here. This thing's clean. BRZ, I think. Damn. I should have brought my E92.
There it is.
The whole squad is out.
That's like your old color, huh?
Yeah, it's like my old color kind of. They're all exactly the same. That's crazy. I'm missing out, bro. I should have brought my E92. Alright guys, it's the next day now, and today we're actually gonna go check out some shops with the homie Manny, or Sick Raps. Me and Manny have been talking about a shop for a while now. Everything's pretty low-key right now, but yeah, we've been talking about getting a shop together. I think it'll be pretty freaking sick. We checked out a couple shops about a month ago, but I didn't show it in the video. And today we're about to go check out another shop. Trying to look around, see what we can find. A lot of these shops need a lot of work. I think this one that we're about to look at needs a lot of work, but I think it'll be pretty sick to have a shop. Me and Manny also got some pretty big plans coming up in the future that we'll talk about soon. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But I thought I'd bring you guys along, show you guys the shop that we're about to go look at. Hopefully it's nice. I think Manny already checked it out. He said it's a pretty cool shop. It just needs a lot of work, so we'll see right now. How sick would it be to have a shop where we can work out my merch out of, sick wraps out of, and also a place to come kick it and chill? I think it'll be really sick. Check it out, guys. Nice little shop. Like Manny said, it needs a lot of work. All the walls need to get freaking painted. The floor painted. But it has some potential. Supposedly this thing's gonna be like a wall. So like where this line is, they're gonna build a wall right here. So it could be like a little lobby, chill area with a couch, a TV. Over here could be a little office. So they're gonna take all that out, repaint the walls, put like sick ass like wood flooring, make it look all like white and gray. It'll be sick. Yeah, the shop will start from right here. All of this. There's a lot of room.
And this is a fucking Jeep. It's a big ass car.
Yeah, it'll be sick. We can store cars, work out of it, put some badass lighting, badass floors. It'll look crazy.
Bro, I swear this is the one.
That'll be sick.
I'm telling you, it's very perfect location, right on the freeway, right between me and you.
And people can come visit.
It has perfect space in the back.
Throw a little car meet.
Bro, it'd be perfect. Literally, like, think about it. Grand opening. Look, grand opening, we'll leave this open. We'll have this looking fucking sick. We'll have like 2 badass rap cars in there.
Sick with the Y?
With the fucking capital Y. And then we'll just. Bro, it's perfect, bro. It's literally perfect. There's a ton of parking in the front, on the street, even on the fucking parking lot, bro. Like, imagine this shit on a Sunday. It's all empty. How many cars you can put in here? A big ass subscriber as soon as you enter. And then a fucking sick ass logo in the middle. Epoxied over.
It'll be crazy.
Bro, it'd be insane. And then all that just be fucking a row of just lights. Bro, it'd be honestly, it'd be crazy.
So yeah, guys, it's like the 4th shop that we've looked at. Like I said, I didn't vlog the first ones, but that was a really nice one. I think we looked at like 2 very nice ones. This one's cool. It's like a decent amount of space. Cool place for like a first shop. And then paint all the walls like either all black or like all white walls. Brand new white walls. So you won't see any of that shit. Do little car meets here like on Sundays where all you guys could pull up.
Yeah.
That'd be badass. What the heck?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit. Real shit, nigga. Nigga, that's real shit.